Hi, my name is Valerie Jeffers. Today we will be linking several different worksheets into a PowerPoint slide. Let's get started. I'm in my document now, and the first one that I want to link is to my sales spreadsheet. So let me go to Excel. I'm in my sales worksheet. I'm going to highlight it to select everything that I would like in the slide, and I'm going to choose copy, or you can use Control C. Now that I'm back into my PowerPoint slide, from the menu screen, I'm going to, from Paste Clipboard Group, I'm going to choose Paste Special. I'm going to paste link and as Microsoft Excel worksheet object. Go ahead and choose OK. I'll position that exactly where I want it. If I want to enlarge it, I can. Make sure it stays in the perimeter of the slide. I'm going to go to my next one. I want my customer link spreadsheet to fit in here. I'm going to go back to my Excel document, go to my customer spreadsheet. I'm going to copy, go back to my PowerPoint, and I'm going to paste special, paste link as Microsoft Excel worksheet object, click OK. Position where exactly I want it, make it bigger to fit my slide. Go to my next slide. I want the commission spreadsheet to go here. I'm going to go to my commission tab, highlight my commission report, copy, go back to my slide, and I'm going to, from the clipboard group, I'm going to paste special, paste link as Microsoft Excel worksheet object, click OK. And I notice there are a few changes that I need to make. I'm going to go to my sales associate, and the first one, he's actually should be in the West branch, so I'm going to make that change. Go ahead and save it. Go back to my spreadsheet, and I see that Billy is now in the West branch. Go to my customer, and I see that Mark's address is incorrect. It should be Meadow View, so I'm going to change that to Meadow View. And go ahead and save it. Go back to my PowerPoint slide and see now it is Meadowview Lane. Go to my fourth slide, and I see that Billy's commission should be $2,500. So let me change that. Go ahead and save it. Go back to my PowerPoint slide, and I see that Billy is now for Q1 $2,500. So this is how you can link to PowerPoint slide and make changes, and everything shows up in both places. Hopefully this will help you the next time you need to link several worksheets to a particular PowerPoint slide.